Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add comments when you're in the Google Vids edit page. So Google Vids works very similarly to other Google Docs. You can collaborate with other users, and when you collaborate with other users, you or they may wish to add a comment to offer some advice or some ideas on what you're working on. So in Google Vids, there's a couple of different ways to do that. One, you can just go to Insert and then just click on Add a Comment. The other way is to use this shortcut, if you can remember what it is. I generally don't, so I'm just going to click on Comment. And it opens up a little comment box so you can add your comment text, click on Comment. Remember, you can tag people and whatnot, and now this slide has that comment associated with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.